okurambara babanza kuvuga n'abakozi ba district ya Mbarara harka mukuzi aho Minisiture ko kwatwahabwa projects z'ekitongore cy'amizi hamwe n'ubuhangwa cy'urukora zikabara kugasira abatura.
So like this water project I saw from the report of the district chairperson, they call it Mbarara Duplex Irrigation Scheme, 10 billion, 108 million, 283,760. They're saying the project is non-functional and has been abandoned. Is it true? Mr. Water, where's the water officer?
There are some people in the streets or people around who went in the pipeline because the pipeline is so big. They started stealing the valves.
Aba bahiza bazaha project eje Mbarara drip irrigation scheme kandi bashanga n'amazi meta chikora kandi ubu government yatire billion z'ukrengi 10 ngo bunde kagasira abatura.
Please talk to the community, let them embrace and also be like watchdogs.
We are trying
these projects. So this will be part of our recommendations. Where it needs policy review, we shall also tell them review policy in this area.
Minister yatayirirwa rya Mbarara Health Center ya kabiri hamwe na bw'izibera Health Center ya kana ahembere tarununji bwa nyuma y'abarwire kumara hihameza umukaga batine mebazi
habwa hati embazi tujine aremba zitizire munke ya malaria ikirune tutera challenge ako tuyumwiro bu malaria ne birebka kubera nyinji omwanya mu reports zituntere malaria kiri nyinji kandi bakwentende embazi ejo.
Now the problem is with the National Medical Stores. And I've directed State House Anti-Corruption to first investigate them and find out what could be the problem. Also in the dialogue meeting that we are going to have in Kampala, we're going to have with them. We're going to sit with them and get their issues, their point. Why is it that there have been inefficient delivery?
Kandi abaho n'abarambara na za sakoze imyuga hamwe na PDM aho ba member ba PDM bakine bataketegereze omungenderwaho.
Abantu betaga sente tuzuru demand zayi kandi bariyo abantu bacejumbiremo abo kwambare ngire cykwija kubateka echa kandi these guidelines nanyenda ku emphasize gabyagamba. Let us have one language kutukugamba different languages to let a confusion on bantu with at the end of the day to tell.
Gasha kwa Aida no bataringaya.